that's your particular target, but yeah. Oh wow, look at the birds. Oh, look at that. Finally, this one has it. These are super rare. Alright, I'm getting dibs on this. Alright. Well, nothing's new really, except for this was a pain in the ass carrying. So, from the Target in Inglewood down in the hood. Oh man, I was really in the hood. So yeah, and I said like, dang. So I call it my hoodlum scooter. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So, you know, Bird sponsor me. I've been trying to get Birds to come down to Los Angeles. They finally have, and now they finally have their own scooters. And they have the 3-wheeler scooters, and then they have the fold-up Bir Air Scooter, aluminum aircraft. So it's pretty awesome, durable, and I can't wait to try this out. So I'm hoping to do like a unboxing like right now in this video, but not here at the train station, but probably like when I get to a little bit more decent area, because I want to say this thing weighs about like at least 100 pounds by itself. So here's the full view of the scooter. That the Bir Air, 15.5 miles range, 16 miles per hour, weight limit is 220 pounds. Turn this sucker around. I got a bad wrist. That I'm actually working, but I'm taking this out of the way for the vlog. So, Bir Air feature scooter. Shows you all the details. It moves with you. Durable neck, mobile, no matter where you're heading. Stable ride deck, aircraft of aluminum grade. And then your LED screens, your speed and battery power. Then you got your stomp brake system, and controls. This also has the kickstand, rear lights, and everything like a regular Bird has, except for it doesn't fold, so it's pretty cool. So this part right here is supposed to be really durable, and yeah, because when I used to have the other one, it actually snapped like right around here. So it wasn't the Bird, but it was one of those $200 ones. So I kind of upgraded it. So I like the scooter I used to have, but it was actually one of those convenient places to get it. So with this one, I got this at Target. They only had 6 left at Inglewood. When I got there, there were only 4, so I had to grab this right away. Show you the size of it. So that's pretty cool. Show you the other side of it. That's pretty cool. Alright, hopefully you guys like that little unboxing of the scooter. And once it gets fully charged up, I should be able to show you everything. I just gotta put the handlebars on and then the neck part. So I gotta fix those. So right now, with all that hard day working of you hauling that thing from the expo line to the appointment tonight, trying out this lemonade. So it's pretty good. It's like $4, but that Dip Dotsy one, yeah, that was like a rip-off version. It was the same price, but yeah. All right. So my review on the bird is actually kind of cool. This is one of the pirate birds that you get at Target for $5.99. This is the Bird Air. And basically, when you use the Bird app, you have 3 intentional speeds. So you have normal speed for pedestrians on walkways. Then you have medium one. That's when you're in the city limits. And then when you're on the more major streets, then you got flying by street. The third one that goes up to 16 miles per hour. So I tested out. So the pedestrian one goes up to 9 miles per hour. The middle one goes up to 12. And then the max on the third one goes up to 16 miles per hour. So that's pretty awesome. Also, the more cool part is, it's like when you break it down, it's really easy. You go down here, there's a little safety hatch right here. You take this off, and then there's a latch down here. You unfold this, and it folds like this. Then go back here and hold on to this part right here where it connects, and then you'll be able to carry it. So that's pretty much how you do the bird. So alright, so again, just in case if I didn't do it, this little hatch right here, it's pretty cool. When you have it up, you have it like right here. Your little safety hatch will be right here, so you'll be able to lift it. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Look at my bird. And look at this bird. This one's available at your local Target now, so it's pretty cool. So it's pretty dope. It's only $5.99, so it's pretty dope. I'll get it. It's good. I wrote it here by myself. The scooter's right here.